Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a folder in Dropbox. So let's have a look now. Go to the Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, go to the location where you want to create a new folder. Look for the New or Create button. Click on it and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for the new folder in the provided field. Choose Who Can Access, then click on Create. It will create a new folder within a minute. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.